Well, normally it's easy to see what kind of vacuum I have here, but in case you're unfamiliar with what the front bumper looks like of this machine, I've had a couple of requests for my Oreck XL2800. This machine's from 2000, and on high we got 53 nozzle CFM here. So let's go ahead and put some flour down and try some extreme edge cleaning. I don't have any idea how this is going to do, but we're going to find out. And as before, I always hang the nozzle off about an inch, inch and a half, so it can actually have an opportunity to get a little bit of airflow over the edge, because otherwise it wouldn't be much of a point. And let's put some underneath. So I'm going to flick some of that underneath too. Alright, so there you go. A whole bunch of flour all over the place. Going to get loud. This one's a little bit of a screamer, I suppose. Initially, that doesn't look too bad. Top of the carpet doesn't seem to have too much of a white oval orb or anything like that on there. It did a good job directly on the concrete, but obviously there's a line right here it's missing. So let's see what under the carpet looks like. Yeah, didn't touch that. So I think it did a good job. Hey, look, isn't 2 out of 3 not bad? Isn't that the saying? So this isn't too bad. Obviously, with low airflow, it can't do underneath the carpet. What surprised me a little bit is it really couldn't get a visible edge. It's not bad, but it still did pretty good considering. So Oreck fans, you can rejoice a little bit. This will get some dirt that has fallen off the side of your carpet. Thanks for watching.